Alright, this is a real silly song. Louie, whoa, baby, I gotta go now. Louie, whoa, baby, I really gotta go now. Well, the communist world is falling apart. The capitalists are just breaking hearts. Money is the reason to be. It makes me just wanna sing Louie, 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 Louie. Whoa, baby, I gotta go now. Louie, Louie, yeah, baby, I really gotta go now. Well, there's a fine little girl, she's waiting for me, but I'm as bent as Dostoevsky. I think about the meaning of my life again, and I have to sing Louie, Louie again. Louie, Louie, whoa, baby, I gotta go now. Louie, Louie, yeah, baby, I really gotta go now. Let's give it to him right now. Life after Bush and Gorbachev. The wall is down, but something is lost. Turn on the news, it looks like a movie. It makes me wanna sing Louie, 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 Louie. Whoa, baby, I gotta go now. Louie, Louie, yeah, baby, I really gotta go now. Well, I gotta go now. Yeah, I gotta go now. I really gotta go now. Let's go. That's 2 strings. Hey, listen, I don't know if I have any strings or not for this thing. Do we have any strings? Does anybody know? Do you know how long it's going to take to change a string on this fucking guitar? My God, we have 4 strings left. Let me see if I can think of something I can play on 4 strings. Okay. Well, now I'm ready to close my eyes. I'm so messed up, I want you here. In my room, I want you here. Now we're gonna be face to face, and I'll lay right down in my favorite place. Now I wanna be your dog. Now I wanna be your dog. Now I wanna be your dog. Pretty interesting. Well, come on. Oh! Well, now I'm ready to close my eyes. Now I'm ready to close my mind. your dog. Now I wanna be your dog. Now I wanna be your dog. Well, come on. That's a little better. Yeah, you like that one. So do we have any strings or not? I don't know if I've got any. So this might be the end unless I can think of something else to play on 2 strings. Yeah, well, I could do that. Is there anyone who knows if I have strings in my guitar case? I don't have any strings. Okay, so we're working on 4 strings. Here's a good song for 4 strings. This is about somebody from Spain, actually. Well, some people try to pick up girls and get called an asshole. This never happened to Pablo Picasso. He could walk down the street, the girls could not resist his stare. Pablo Picasso was never called an asshole. Not in New York. Oh, well, the girls would turn the color of an avocado when he would ride down the street in his Eldorado. He was only 5'3", but the girls could not resist his stare. Pablo Picasso was never called an asshole. Not like you. Now this is a verse I'm going to make up. Pablo Picasso had a daughter named Paloma. She sold perfume on a company from Roma. I said, Paloma, come on over. Hey, Paloma, give me your aroma. Paloma, hey, Paloma Picasso, don't be an asshole. Hey, Paloma, give me your aroma. Baby, pull over. Pablo Picasso, Pablo Picasso, Pablo Picasso. I was never called an asshole. Yeah. I quite enjoyed that. Thank you. You're probably lucky that you don't get the artistic version of me, you know, because it's kind of more interesting this way. Let's see, what else can I do on, oh yeah, I can do this one. I took a ride with the pretty music. I went down, and baby, you can tell. I took a ride with the pretty music, and now I'm buzzing to you straight from hell. I'll stick it deep inside. I'll stick it deep inside, 'cause I'm lost. I feel fine to be dancing, baby. I feel fine, I'm a shaking leaf. I feel fine to be dancing, baby. 'Cause in myself, yeah, I do believe. I'll stick it deep inside. I'll stick it deep inside, 'cause I'm lost. All right. And like a ride with the pretty music. And now I'm buzzing to you straight from hell. And I'll stick it deep inside. And I'll stick it. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. And I'm loose. And I'm loose. And I'm loose. And I'm loose. Thank you. Thanks for the support. Let's see, maybe. No. 4 strings, 4 strings, maybe. How does Gloria, do you anybody know the chords to Gloria? That's it. Yeah, all right, I never sung this. This should be fun. Yeah. I want to tell you about my baby. You know, she comes around. She's about 5'4", up from her head to the ground. She come around here just about midnight. She made me feel so good, Lord. You know, she made me feel all right. And her name is G-L-O-R-I-A, Gloria, G-L-O-R-I-A, Gloria, G-L-O-R-I-A, Gloria. I'm gonna shout it every day, Gloria. Hey. She come around here just about midnight. I wanna say you made me feel so good. Oh, she makes you feel alright. She come to my house. She comes to my door. She knocks on my door. She says, Iggy! She says, Iggy. She says, Iggy. She comes into my bed. She's very young. She looks pretty good. I love her when she's old, 'cause her name is G-L-O-R. G-L-O-R-I-A, Gloria, 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 Gloria. It's so good, it's alright, it's so good, it's alright, it's so good, so good, so good, so good. G-L-O-I-I-A, G-L-O-I-I-A, G-L-O-I-I-A. Gloria. Yeah. Thanks. Okay, I want to do it. This is just a quiet song. It's about feeling alone when you're in a crowd. Nervous, you need a drink. to anyone. No, not really. And the crowd stays on your back. And the girls are also stacked. And the stress, it lines your face. And you really need a place. It's just that social life. They got you on the run. That goddamn social life. It's torture dressed as fun. It's just that social life. They got you chasing strings. That goddamn social life. And now you're seeing things. That goddamn social life. It's almost the same with 5 strings, but not quite. God awful art and clothes, plenty of money though. You guess it must be worth something. What that would be, you don't know. In your imagination, there is a place of love. Someone who'll come along instead of coming on. And the forces ebb and flow. And the money goes and goes. And something makes you want to throw a brick through the window. It's just that social life. They got you on the run. That goddamn social life. It's torture dressed as fun. It's just that social life. They got you seeing things. That goddamn social life. And now you're chasing strings. That goddamn social life.
Thank you. Yeah, let's plug her in again. Hey, mate, can you turn it down? Turn the Marshall down a little bit for this one. Thanks. Yeah, take her to more a normal sound. Yeah, like that. It's nice. So this is another song.
I've been walking down the road. What it means, I don't know. I've been walking down the highway with the bad food flying by me. I'm an ordinary man with a time bomb in my hand. It keeps ticking and I keep running, trying to find out where I come from. And there ain't nothing gonna take this road away. There ain't nothing gonna take this road away. Nothing gonna take this road out of my heart. There ain't nothing gonna take this road away. Nothing gonna take this road away. Nothing gonna take this road out of my heart. I wake up sweating in the night. Every town is only lights. I'm addicted to the highway, 'cause I just can't do things their way. And there ain't nothing gonna take this road away. There ain't nothing gonna take this road away. Nothing gonna take this road out of my heart. There ain't nothing gonna take this road away. Nothing gonna take this pain away. Nothing gonna take this road out of my heart. Highway, I'm doing fine. You help me draw the line. No use in being alive if I'm just renting. No! Understand the circus well. I played the clown when down he fell. But being down ain't being loser, so just look out, here comes a bruiser. And there ain't nothing gonna take this road away. There ain't nothing gonna take this road away. There ain't nothing gonna take this road out of my heart. There ain't nothing gonna take this pain away. Nothing gonna take this road away. Nothing gonna take this road out of my heart. There ain't nothing gonna take this road away. There ain't nothing gonna take this road away. There ain't nothing gonna take this pain away. There ain't nothing gonna take this road away.